easy, man.
Alright nerds, and we are back, and I am still doing my cleanup from the last one. I just want to make sure I get these done as quickly as possible. But anyways, in the last opening, we got some pretty good pulls. We got 2 reverse rares, a holo, and 2 GX cards, including the Dawnwings Necrozma GX, which is pretty darn exciting because those 2 cards I got there are some of them, well, they're not huge in terms of value, but they're, it's around $7-8 each, so that's pretty solid to get, basically $16 worth out of just 2 pulls. So I am not going to complain. So 1, 2, 3, and I realize that worrying about value isn't such a big deal, but when you invest as much as I do into these cards, you kind of want to make sure you're getting some returns. It doesn't have to be 100%. You just still got to be worth the time and the money. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna go with 6. So we got 6 more. We got 6 packs here. We got 1 more opening to go. This is pretty darn exciting, and I cannot wait to get into this pack and see what we can get. And these packs are just falling apart, I swear. Anyways, there is the first code card for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you got something good out of it, which would be the first time because I have never ever had someone tell me what they got out of one of my codes that I've given them, and I know people are taking the codes. I know, I see you right there redeeming the code with your little tablet up on the screen. Yeah, I see you. I see you right now. I'm judging you. I'm judging you so freaking hard for that. Anyway, so we're gonna go with a Plant Energy, a Skateboard, Mount Coronet, Rotom, Eevee. Oh, that is such a cute artwork. Like, I wish they had this artwork with the Energy Evolution one because I like the card better, but I like the artwork so much better on this one. Alright, Magmar. Ooh, I almost destroyed that Magmar card. Morlul, Piplup, Slanted. The reverse is just a Kibble, and our rare is a Shaman. Already have this one, but it is a pretty cool little card. Actually, Shaman cards are always pretty decent. Search your deck for 2 basic Pokemon and put them onto your bench and then show. That's pretty good. That's actually really, really freaking good, actually, in my opinion. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, maybe not quite as good as the one on Lowland Vulpix that is free, but it's not bad at all. It's a great way to set up your bench. So either way, I don't know if I accidentally gave you guys that code card or not. Well, we'll find out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's see if we can get a decent pull out of this pack. So we're starting off with our Fire Energy, Turtonator, Mars. Maybe we can get a full art Mars. That'd be pretty cool to get. Electric Memory, Slanted, Yanma, Drifloon, Buizel, Riolu. Our reverse is a Gabite. Well, we'll have the whole set of that in reverse, won't we? And our rare is a Infernape holographic, which I don't believe we have. So that's pretty neat. We got an inordinate number of holos out of this box. I think that's quite a bit, actually. So, all right, well, we're doing pretty good, though. That's pretty good, pretty solid, good pulls, good pulls. I'm not going to complain. So, I just, want more GX. This is all. This is all. I want another full art at least, and hopefully we can get ourselves a secret rare out of this. And not this one, because this one's a green code card. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4 to the front. Well, maybe we'll get that elusive prism card. One of those, maybe that's Cyrus. That's a misprint, and I would be quite excited to get a hold of it. Unidentified fossil, electric memory, looker, Snover, come on, Murkrow. I don't know why. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that, guys. Ran out of memory. Had to go and delete a bunch of files. So let's finish up this pack. Gibble, Dewpider, Stunky. Ooh, Frost Rotom. So that is a reverse rare, and our rare is just a Electivire regular rare. So this pack opening hasn't gone quite as well as some of the previous ones, and I'm a little disappointed. But, let's find out. Let's see if I can get something decent. It's all good for me. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Come on. We got, with this one, we have 2 more packs, so a total of 3 packs. This one and 2 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see. Come on. Come on. We just want at least 1 more full art. Come on. We're in the clutch final stretch. Let's see what kind of gold we can get. Maybe we can get some gold. Oh, I just want people to say I got a golden ticket. Oh my god, I need a better positioning for this. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh my god, I kind of have to redo my stuff here. Fire memory, Turtwig. Well, I see a GX card because for some reason I can't hold these cards in a way that won't do anything. Magmar, and no, that is a Prism card. Oh my god, Darkrai Prism. Oh my god, what else can we pull in this pack? This is awesome, and our rare is a Palkia GX. Yes, that is a double hit. Oh my god, that is so awesome. And yeah, while I do have the full art version of this, I do not have the regular version. I don't think, and if I did, I just don't remember. I don't think I would have. I don't think you'd get the same. Well, maybe you can, but you don't. You generally get double GXs in the same box. And that Darkrai Prism, that's 2 Prism cards. Oh my god, that just redeemed this opening like right there. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Getting some of those good pulls. Oh my god. If I can get one more GX card, and we got plenty to go. We got this pack, one more, and then 6 more to go in the next episode. So, tell you what, because that was such an awesome pack, I'm going to give you this code card and the next one because I am feeling awful generous. So there you go. There is a code card right there for you guys. I'm going to toss that on the floor because I am a filthy mess. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. And let's see what kind of amazing pulls we can get from this pack. We're starting off with a Darkness Energy, Yanmega, Palpad, oh, Skunk Tank, Gibble, Crowagunk, come on, Turtwig, Roselia, Gibble, our reverse is a Lickitung, which is just a, is that a rare? No, that's a common. Of course, it's just common. And our rare, ooh, is an Empoleon, and that is only a holo in the deck where he gets the exclusive Shattered Full. So, yeah, which is nice because I think, oh my god, my eyes itch. I think all of the Gen 4 starters have a holo in this set, and that one is just specific to the deck, which is pretty neat. Anyways, here is another code card for you guys. Let me know if you get anything, because if you don't tell me what you got, there will be a spirit that comes into your room and then tickles your feet. It's going to be very uncomfortable. So anyways, you better let me know then if you don't want that to happen. Energy, Floatzel, Skunk Tank, Cynthia. You know, I haven't pulled very many of these out of this box. It is a really hard card to pull, as useful as it is. Buizel, Riolu. Oh man, I love Riolu. Gibble. Our reverse is an Execute, and our rare is a Drapion, regular rare. But again, I don't think I have this. So, ooh, that's a, well, I mean, it's not a great ability because it's kind of costly. But 100 damage, and they're both paralyzed and poison. That's, I mean, I don't know. I mean, that'd be good in a budget deck against people who aren't very good. But, I mean, yeah, for a newbie deck, it'd probably be pretty solid to use. But either way, that, oh my god, though, the pulls in this thing, I don't think I've had genuinely bad pulls. Maybe the very first one, so. But beyond that, of course, we got ourselves a reverse rare Rotom, an Infernape holographic, a Dark Ride Prism, and the Palkia GX. So if we take away the reverse rare, that's 1 out of 2. I have been doing really, really good. So either way, nerds, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. And please be sure to follow me on social media, on Twitter at Jedi_Cast, and on Facebook at Cast the Nerd. And I will see you in the next video. Later.